It's 4th of July, 2020, and I'm down in Washington, D.C. at the Thomas Jefferson Memorial. And sorry, the roof is being replaced and they're cleaning the dome. Ooh, somebody left a nice bike. Alright, let's go in and get close and personal. And there it is, the man, the legend, Thomas Jefferson statue, 1743 through 1826. It should be easy to read in 4K. I like to shoot short videos, wait for it. There's 4 inscriptions on the wall. That's the second. There's the third. And there's the fourth. Last time I was in this building, I was 6 years old. My uncle took me. And if you want to read it, it's in 4K. Hit pause.